Hello everyone, let's learn today how to use dynamic blocks in Terraform conditionally to add nested items within a resource. I have a Cosmos DB account created using Terraform which is having a single geolocation. The same geolocation as the resource group is used as the geolocation of the Cosmos DB account. So if we have a look at the Cosmos DB account in the Azure portal, you can see we have East US2 as the region. Now how about we adding a read region as well? To add the second region, we can make a copy of the geolocation and simply change this to second region and make failover priority as 1. The second region variable contains it as West US, but this will always add a region, second region to the Cosmos DB. Now how about we only want to add this second region if it is a production environment, and in dev and QA environment we are not going to add this second region. So our variable here defines what is the environment. Now we can change this code so that we are using a dynamic block and make this geolocation a dynamic geolocation, and then for the contents we can say use the thing, same thing, and then we can remove this code. Then we need to define a for each condition. For the for each condition we can say if our environment is equal dev QA, we can say we are not adding anything, and if it is environment, any production environment, we are going to add something. So we can just say this can be anything. So once we do that, we can try execute a Terraform plan. The plan now shows nothing to change. That is correct because we are using the dev as the environment. Let's go and change this environment to production 001, and let's run a Terraform plan again. With the environment changed to production, now we can see the additional geolocation is getting added. To make the code more organized, we can create two local variables, non-production and the other named as production region, and we can create a map variable with that. So we are defining non-production region only in non-production variable, and in the production local variable we are defining two regions, and then we define another two local variables to identify the dev and QA environment. And then we can go on and modify the dynamic, change the entire logic. So what would happen is, instead of previous usage, we are saying environment is dev environment or environment is QA environment. We are going to add non-production regions, and if the environment is not dev or QA, we are going to add the production regions. Then for that dynamic map to get applied, we use the geolocation value and location, then geolocation value and the failover priority. That is the same map variables defined here. So variables will be applied in the for each loop, and we can get value location, the same location value here, value failover priority, the same failover priority getting applied here. So now if we execute a Terraform plan again, we can now see it's still getting created because our environment is set as production. Now if we change back to dev and execute the plan again, there's no changes. So let's change this to production for now. Try to plan and apply. The plan says we are going to add another georegion. Let's apply the plan. It will take some time to get the plan applied. The plan is now applied, and we can go and inspect the Azure Cosmos DB. When we refresh, we can see new region is got added. Thank you for watching this short video. See you again in another video similar to this.